How to fix Instagram message primary general option not showing problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Instagram messages don't show the primary and general tabs, don't worry. You're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the primary general not showing problem step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So, first, what are primary and general tabs in Instagram messages? They are part of Instagram professional or creator account feature in which these tabs help you to organize your inbox, primary for important chats and general for the rest. But if you are not seeing them, it's likely because your account is set to personal. And here is how you can fix it. So first, open the Instagram app, and once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in a profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you will be prompted to the settings and activity section. From here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on account type and tools. Now here in this section, you need to select switch to professional account and you can choose either creator or business account. Both will enable the primary general inbox. Now here, you just have to follow the setup and choose your category and skip connecting to Facebook if you want. And once you are done, your inbox should now show the tabs. And that's it. Now you should have the primary and general tabs working in your Instagram inbox. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.